Most people get this wrong when they look at FieldPulse pricing. They only see the monthly number and assume that is the full cost. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real price depends on how many users you have, which features you unlock, and how much automation your business actually needs. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you will understand exactly how FieldPulse pricing works in 2026. What each plan includes, what hidden costs to expect, and how to decide if it is actually worth it for your business. No confusion, no guesswork. Let's start simple. FieldPulse is a field service management platform used by small and mid-sized contractors like HVAC technicians, plumbers, electricians, and cleaning businesses. Think of someone like Jake, who runs a small plumbing team in Texas. He needs scheduling, invoices, dispatching, and customer tracking all in one place. That is what FieldPulse is built for. Now here is where it gets interesting. FieldPulse does not always publish one fixed public price because it often uses custom quotes. But in 2026, most businesses report pricing that starts roughly in the mid-tier per user per month range and increases as you add features like GPS tracking, advanced reporting, or automation tools. But here is the problem. Many users only compare base pricing and ignore add-ons. So let's break it down clearly. The entry-level plan usually covers core features like job scheduling, basic invoicing, and customer management. This is enough for very small teams. Imagine John, who runs a 2-person handyman service. He can get started here without feeling overwhelmed. The mid-tier plan is where most growing businesses land. This is where you unlock smarter dispatching, better workflow automation, and stronger mobile app features. This is ideal if you are managing multiple technicians and daily jobs. Then, there is the advanced tier. This is designed for larger teams that need deeper reporting, integrations, and full operational control. This is where FieldPulse starts competing with heavier platforms in the market. Now here is the part most people miss. Costs can increase based on user count and optional features like payments, text messaging automation, and premium support data. So your real monthly bill can be higher than the base price. Now here is where it gets interesting. Instead of asking, is FieldPulse cheap? The better question is, does it save me time and missed jobs? Because for most contractors, even one saved job per week can cover the software cost. So is FieldPulse worth it in 2026? If you are still managing jobs on paper, spreadsheets, or scattered apps, then yes, it can be a strong upgrade. But if you are a solo operator with very few jobs, it might feel like more than you need. Here are the key takeaways. FieldPulse pricing depends on plan level, team size, and features. The base plan covers essentials, mid-tier supports growth, and advanced plans are for scaling teams. The real cost comes from add-ons and usage. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, drop a comment with your business size, and subscribe for more simple software reviews that help you make better decisions faster.